Hi guys, this is a Tefal Actifry, the original. Just thought I'd review this. I don't know how many people use these now. You can cook many things in them, from chips, which is an English favourite, to chicken, beef, salmon. I mean, there's many things you can cook in these. Some things, I think you can add oil to some things, but obviously with frozen chips, things like that, you don't need to add any oil because the oil was already on the chips. So it's pretty good. They're pretty quick as well to cook. Chips take, depending on what chips you're cooking in the Actifry, take 15 to 20 minutes. And because of the motion of this Actifry, some Actifries don't have this motion, they're just, you can sort of take them out and give it a shake in between. This one actually moves around. Well, let's just switch it on and I'll show you. So you can see it moving around in there. My fingerprints all over it. So there you go. So yeah, I mean, and if you press them two buttons, that will open the lid up. Obviously always be careful when it's been on because it's boiling hot. That lifts up and you can pull it out like that. Pull it down, make sure it's secure, and then pull that back down and it slots in, and close it back up, you know, obviously. The other thing I was going to show you was the, so I'm going to cook myself a burger and some chips. So this is, we did have a bigger one than this, but obviously that lights up, and once that clicks off, you're good to go. You know, these are used, so I've cleaned them up the best I can. They look pretty good though. So obviously that heats up, and then you're good to go. So the burger I'm going to use is just a frozen burger, quarter pounder. Different ones, Sainsbury's, Tesco's, whatever the ones you like. The fat drips into that, and then let it go hard, or pour it into a cup. Don't pour it down the sink. Don't pour any fat down the sink, as a matter of fact. It's not good. Blocks it all up, causes us all problems. So I'm going to stop it there. I'm just going to get that's the one I'm using today, is the Asda's. That's already heated up. Yeah, it's very hot. If you're vegan, look away. Sorry. Just a joke. You know, I've got nothing against animals or anything like that. But I still like a burger. So. And I do eat bean burgers as well. Which are, you know, I don't actually eat much burgers, quite honestly. But anyway, just to show you this product. That's the last one of them. That fell on the floor. And there you go. And they take about 12 to 15 minutes to burger. I should have put them in together really, but I've cut these open. So let me just show you that. Obviously you can add more, whatever you want, more chips. As I said, you can cook many other proper, you know, chicken meats and things like that. It's entirely up to you. That's going. Takes a while. Once that starts to thing, it'll all drip in there. Let's close the lid and get this puppy going. And it should be pushing round. So there you go. Obviously I'm not going to make you wait 12 to 15 minutes to see the results. So I'll, once we're closer to it being cooked, I'll record again and show you the end result. Do have a check. Oh, getting there. There you go. You can flip it over if you want. Don't have to. It's going good. Chips are still cooking. You can actually time it if you're timing meats and stuff like that. You've got a timer there. I haven't bothered to use it on this occasion because I know it takes 12 or 15 minutes, so it's all good. That's doing well. Not long to go now, a few minutes. So the chips are still going. They're near enough done. The burger's done. It depends how much you like them done, obviously. That's the fat. Disgusting, obviously. But it does its job. One thing I would say is, if you want to clean this, you can clean it while it's still hot. Obviously be careful. Some of the George Foreman grills you buy, you can actually take the plates off. I did have one of them once before. And clean it in the sink. Or what you do is, if you leave it straight away, it will dry on. But when you go to use it again, or if you just heat it up afterwards for a little while it's heating, it's the best time because it makes it all loose and it's easy to clean. So with a bit of a towel, you know, tissue basically. Yeah, let's have a look. And there you go. All good, see? And that was about 13 to 14 minutes. As I said, it's up to you how much you want them cooked. If you want them to be like bullets, you know, but yeah. And that's it. It's all good. So that's the Actifry original, and that one was the George Foreman. I'm not going to show you me eating them. That would just be cruel. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. I'll see you on the next one. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you want me to review, if I've got it. Alright, cheers. Bye. I've got to add some salad and stuff, all the goodness. But some extra chips. There you go.